My phone got a kuni memory VI. Memory mega city. Chai. Nah, le kwa na ebe m ji ụkwụ gaa ụnọ na ahụkwa ya. Chee, at least. Nah. Please, you guys should come and put gutter in this road. That is why this place is like this. Come and put gutter. Ambode, Lagos State. Come and do gutter in PI Road. Yes, bros. What do you have to say about this kind of situation? Eh? Say something, bros. You can see how we are swimming inside River Niger. Abi River Benue.
No.
Which one? River VI. Okay, River VI. Can you imagine a whole beautiful lady like me swimming inside this kind of water? And I use nylon to make my own designer wear. You can imagine that. Oh my gosh. See my namesake, beautiful girl like this. Eh? Akwangwane egumiri chai chupunamo. Efuomo. Oh, good morning, bros. Eh? What rain no let me go out. See when they go out and I see they swim inside water. You can imagine. Chai. Oh my God. I can't believe this. So my people. Moon I see waiting inside the sea. Oh. Huh?
My head, my leg are there.
Oh my God. Because of daily bread, that's I'm swimming because of daily bread, I'm swimming dirty water. Give me room, I sleep now. Here they come. Oh my God. Bros, you can imagine. Beautiful seas like this, they are swimming inside water. You can imagine what this Nigeria is turning into. Share? Yes.